Hello Sleek Bill users. Welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we'll learn how to show the contact person name in the Bill To section of your invoice. This helps make your invoices more clear and professional. First, open your browser and type www.sleekbill.in, then press enter. Once the website loads, click on the login button at the top right corner. Now, enter your email ID and password, then click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you will land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the Preferences section. Here, you will find all the settings of your account. Inside Preferences, click on the Invoice section from the sidebar menu. Now, search for the option Show Contact Person in Bill To section. Simply toggle it on. After enabling the option, scroll down and click on the Save button. Now go to the Invoices section. Open or create an invoice, and in the preview, you will see the contact person name displayed in the Bill To section. That's it.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.